Thanks for dropping by to watch another one of my videos. I sure appreciate it, and I think you'll enjoy this one today. It's another easy song, or fairly easy. It's getting more complicated, but then again, a lot more fun too. This is Knocking on Heaven's Door. We're going to have a lot of the chords we've already learned in this song. I think there's going to be one new chord. You know the G chord from Ooh La La, and we're going to go from G to D, and we've already learned kind of how to connect that. Okay, I think when we were doing Jamaica Farewell. See that? So that third finger is just going to stay right there. So the G, you have your second finger on the 6th string 3rd fret. First finger is going to be on the 5th string 2nd fret, and then your third finger is going to be 2nd string 3rd fret, and then your pinky is going to be on the 1st string 3rd fret. That's your G. Notice we leave that third finger down, and then you have your first finger 3rd string 2nd fret, and then your second finger 1st string 2nd fret. You've already learned how to go to the C chord. This is a dive bomb, okay? So the best way to do this is you're going to land your first finger on the 2nd string 1st fret, and then you're going to have your second finger is going to be on the 4th string 2nd fret, and then your third finger is going to be on the 5th string 3rd fret. Okay? But now I want to stop and show you something here on this song. We're going to actually do, I want you to get used to doing it this way, okay, with the C chord, because look at this. The A minor 7th that we're going to play is just like this, but without the third finger. Okay, so we're going to, the first time around, it's going to be 2 strums on G, 2 strums on D, a measure on the A minor 7th. Okay, now the second time around, you're going to go to C, so you can just grab that A minor 7th and put that third finger down. Okay? So maybe I should have explained that differently. Maybe it would be best to learn the A minor 7th first, okay? Because that's only 2 fingers, and then second time around you're just going to add that third finger. But you may have already learned the C. I'm not sure where this is going to fit in the sequence. So let me play through it for you real quick. So you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can land I like to land my pinky and my 4th finger when I come back from this. Get another dive bomb. Okay, now when you go to the C chord, just go ahead and grab that A minor 7th. If it takes you a second to get that third finger on there, that's okay. Basically the whole song. You could just play it just like that if you wanted to. But there are a couple of little parts during the chorus. Okay, when it goes to the chorus, knocking on. Actually, I think it only does that, I think it does that little, when you're only on, I think it only does that on the C, from the C to the D. And so the first time around on the chorus, it's just going to hold that A minor 7. Then the second time, Now, if that's hard for you to do, you could go like this: 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and okay. It actually is a push, or actually rushes that. It's a 4E and 1, 2, 3, 4E and 2, 3, 4E and. Okay, so but for the sake of simplicity and for learning it, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and okay. And again, you can break that down to 16ths: 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and okay. So here is another cool thing. Now that part only occurs on the chorus, but this here is one of my favorite things to do on this song. Get on heaven's door. See that? So this is another D chord, okay? It's like a D sus2 4 or something like that. I'll have to figure it out again. But 2, 3, 4, and or this dive bomb here. You know, I'm kind of grabbing that low G string just because it happens so fast. So this is a challenge for sure. 1. So let me play that whole chorus through for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So that's pretty much all there is to it for this lesson. And again, strumming 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, mix it up just like we did on Ooh La La. For something like this, don't lose any sleep over. This is just something you're going to have fun with. I was going to talk about that C add 9. Now you could put that in there. You could do this. Okay. Thank you so much for dropping by. I sure appreciate your support, and we will see you on the next video. Have a great day, and we will see you later. Bye-bye.